Hey my pretties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am going to share with you a palette that I was extremely excited to get my hands on. So I had saw that the brand Luminess was putting out their Lion King palette, you know, because Lion King is, you know, is it out already? It's coming out. But they were putting out this limited edition palette. And so me loving Lion King, but then I can't lie, my astrology sign is a Leo, and I am a true lion. I am a true Leo. So I had to get this palette to represent for my fellow Leos. But plus, like I said, it's because I love Lion King. Now I have the package right here. It's still sealed shut. Haven't opened it. My address is on this side, so I'm not going to turn it around. But I haven't got it open. I said I wasn't going to do that until I got on camera with you guys. So let's go ahead and get this cut open. Now, I was going through their lipsticks and some of the other products that they offered. And I didn't really like all of the colors. I think, what did I order? I know I ordered the palette, but then I think I got either a lipstick or a lip gloss in here. Oh, Sir John. It's the Sir John Luminess Lion King palette. So I can't wait to get this open. But I think I got the lipstick. Let's see. Limited edition collection, Sir John. Yeah, I got the matte lipstick because I love me a matte lipstick. And this is in the shade Be Brave. And so what I was going to say was some of the other colors that they had, I just wasn't really feeling it. I am going to put some pictures up on the screen so you guys can see. Besides the palette, they had a couple of lip glosses. I'm trying to remember what they had. A couple lip glosses, a couple of lipsticks, and oh yeah, and a highlighter. And the highlighter was beautiful. But that price tag on that highlighter, I was like, no thank you, no ma'am, right? So the only thing I did get were these two items, and I'm excited to get them open. What should we do, the lipstick first or the palette? Let's do the lipstick because the palette is going to take a little bit longer. And I'm going to start by showing you the packaging. Look at that, it's really pretty. Black with the eyes on it, and then it does say limited edition right there, Sir John and Luminess. And I have never had anything by the Luminess brand. I don't think I do. I don't think I do. Now, I am a makeup enthusiast. I love makeup. I love watching other people do makeup. I love seeing girls do their eyeshadows and stuff. However, although I do like to purchase makeup, I don't do makeup videos often. I will show you guys, you know, products and stuff. But I was a late bloomer. I did not start wearing eyeshadows and makeup and stuff until my early 30s. Yes, I did not. And I still don't wear it often. I love to play in it. I love to play in it, but I don't know. I can't get with the whole taking the time to just put a whole face on every single day. Like, I've never been able to do that. And I used to be a tomboy, so makeup just wasn't my thing. But since I've started wearing makeup and stuff, I love makeup. So I consider myself a makeup enthusiast. So let me quit running my mouth. Okay. Oh, this packaging, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness. Let's see. And it looks like that on the other side. And then over here it says Sir John Luminess. And the tops and the bottoms, the top and the bottom is gold. So let's get this open. And I said, yeah, I got, what did I say it was called? I don't know, but it's called Lion's Mane. Ooh, okay. So this is the color, and it is a matte lipstick. So let's see. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna love this color, and it's like a red orange, but it's more of it, you can see more of the orange in it. They also had a red one, just a pure red color, but I am not a big fan of a like a bright red type of a lip. So I went with this one because, as you can see, it has a little bit of that orange in it. There it is again. And it is matte. It's really, really, ooh, I love that. Ooh, I can't wait to wear that with a pretty lip liner. So I'm very happy with this. Yeah, so that's why I went with that color, because I just couldn't do that bright red. But yeah, so let's open this palette. Okay, so let's see. The palette is even pretty. Look at that. It has blue eyes. Ooh, there it is. How pretty is that? That is so beautiful. And the back is rose gold, but it is like a mirror. This whole back part is like a mirror, so I can see myself in there really, really good. And I forgot to tell you the name of this palette. I couldn't resist. It's Can't Wait to Be Queen. I love it. It's a 12-piece eyeshadow palette. Let me see, did it tell me anything on here? No, but it does give you the colors on the side of the box. So let's see. Ooh, and then this whole piece right here is a full mirror. Oh my gosh. Okay, so there are the colors right there. I'm trying to make sure you guys can see. There are the colors. Look at that top row. Look at that purple, that green. Look at the green. Oh my goodness. That blue, that bronze, and that gold at the bottom right here. Really pretty, but I am super excited by that blue and that green. Okay, so what I can say before I swatch them is that there is 7 shimmer shades and 5 matte shades. So I'm very happy with this. Okay, so this is the top row right here. So you have Mufasa, which is this one. You have Zazu, which is that pretty blue. You have the Meadows, which is that green one, and you have Sire, which is like this purple, burgundy, blue pearl, whatever this one is, it's beautiful, but that is the top row. Okay, and then here you have the middle row, which I love that gold. It kind of looks just like the gold, my bracelets. So this one is Nala. This second one is more like my skin tone. You probably can't even see it, but these browns will be really nice transitional shades. So this one right here that you can barely see is called King. The next one is Pride Rock, and this last one is African Clay. And those are like some really pretty brown colors. I love those, but look at that gold. Oh my goodness, those are beautiful. Okay, and then here is the last 4 colors right here. This one you can barely see. That one was called Safari Khaki. It is a really light brown shade, more like a cream color, but it is still really pretty. And then this one right next to it is Simba, and that one has that gold into it, but like a gold, like a copper kind of color. I love that. This one right here is Wisdom. And this one kind of shimmer shade is called Landscape, and it has like a little bit of a rose gold look to it, but the colors are really pretty. And again, this is what the palette looks like. It's called Can't Wait to Be Queen. I think it is beautiful. I am super in love with these colors. I can't wait to really play around with it, especially those browns, you know, the ones that I said that you can use to transition, you know, the transitional shades. But yes, I had to have this palette. I think it is beautiful, and you know, it says Disney on the front, and it is definitely a collector's item, especially because it is a limited edition. And I'm sure, I don't even know if they're still on the website or if they're sold out, but however, I will link these down below, and if you're able to get one, good luck. I hope you guys are able to, because they just launched. If you have one, let me know and tell me what your favorite color is in the palette. Okay, you guys, so that is it. I just wanted to share with you this palette because I was super excited to get it, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.